Okay, so good morning. So all of you have now joined this YouTube channel. Today I will upload our lecture after completion of our lecture. Okay. So if you miss or if you not understand any topic during the lecture, so you can go through that particular lecture online. And in the next lecture we will discuss on that point. Okay. So all the CRs, which is a request to all of you to circulate this link to students and note how many students are now joined today. Okay. So I want today only everybody must be joined, register or in this channel, okay, to get the updated lecture on the daily basis. So this is a new concept I am starting for you only. Okay. So the machine learning algorithm, so this subject is very interesting, and these are the course about the course. This is about the course. The first is the course objective. The course objective of this course is to introduce the basic machine learning algorithm. Okay. So keep in mind that I know all of you. Most of the students completed their certification from the Harvard University or Cambridge University or various other universities, and they are now move ahead on the advanced machine learning algorithm. But we are keeping in mind this subject is not for the advanced machine learning algorithm; it is just for the introductory of machine learning algorithm. Okay. So during this lecture, we will just discuss about basic machine learning algorithms that are commonly used. Okay, because this syllabus is designed for all the students, all category of students, right? So the students, we are keeping in mind that all the 60 student mind, okay, ability to understand the machine learning. So if you want to learn the more advanced machine learning algorithm, so you can join the various certification courses available on the website. You can take a lecture from the Stanford, okay, from the Harvard or any other university and complete your certification. That is no issue. But basically, this course, introduction to machine learning algorithms, are basically focused on the basic, most important machine learning algorithm that we are used in daily understanding of machine learning. Okay. Now, the second objective is to understand the nature of the problem and apply the machine learning. So this course, second objective is very much applicable as a practical approach. Okay. So in this subject, you also have the practical. During this January, we are not going for the practical, right? But in the next February, we will to start the practical also. Okay. So the second subject is to implement or apply the machine learning algorithm. So I am giving you a various data set. Okay. So on the stage you have to perform, you have to write the coding and perform the machine learning algorithm. Now, what are the core objectives of these courses? Okay. The first core objective of this course is to understand the complexity of machine learning algorithm and their limitations. So actually, machine learning algorithm has its own advantages and disadvantages, or we can say that the limitation, right? So during this course, we can find out what are the limitations, what are the advantages of that particular algorithm. Okay, and if there is some limitations, so how we can go through or move ahead to that particular limitation, and which algorithm is suitable for the which problem. Okay. So during this course, you can also understand which algorithm you have to implement for you are getting the best output. Okay. Now, second course outcome is to understand the modern notation in machine learning algorithm and computing. So there are the various mathematical notation we will use. So you can understand that notation also. And be capable of confidently applying the common machine learning algorithm in a practice and implementing their own. Okay. So we after completing this course, you will be confident applying the machine learning algorithm to any problem. Okay. So whatever the problem definition I am giving you, so you can confidently apply that particular machine learning algorithm. Okay, once this course is completed, and be capable of performing the experiment in machine learning learning using the real world data. Okay. So why I'm using the word here, the real world data? Because you know that in the real world data, the data is not a clean, it is a dirty data. Okay. So you have to first clean that data, that is a pre-processing, you have to go through various pre-processing, cleaning, okay, feature extraction and all these things. And then you are performing that, you have to apply the machine learning algorithm to that clean data. And that's why I'm using the word here, the real world data, because the real world data is not a static, okay, so it is dynamic data, okay. So your algorithm must be a dynamic, so it must be understand your data according to the changes, right? And it must be do the output on dynamic basis. So that's why your completion of this course, you will be capable of performing the experiment in machine learning using a real world data. Now, step one, the course outcome of this course is to implement the different learning model. So this course outcome is mapped with our practical. So during the practical session, you are able to implement various machine learning algorithms, and for that I've seen the various problem statement to all of you and various data sets also. Okay. So using the various data sets or number of problems, you are able to implement machine learning algorithm confidently. Okay, so this is all about the course object and the course outcome. Is there any question? Is there any query on course object and course outcome? Yes, anybody? Rohit? Hello. So I hope everybody understand what is the course. Yes, Laksh. Laksh is there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So are you understand what is the course object and the course outcome of this subject?
Yes, sir.
What are the main objective of this course?
Sir, for us to learn the basics of algorithms and disadvantages and advantages of it.
Machine learning algorithm. Okay. Understand the basic of machine learning algorithm. We are not going for the advanced machine learning algorithm. Okay. So during this course, we are focusing on the basic machine algorithm, for example, classification, regression, okay, then the SVM, then the logistic regression, code vector machine. So these are k-mean clustering. These are the basic machine learning algorithms. We are focusing on it, and we are trying to understand why and how these algorithms are used. Okay, right? Laksh? Hello? Laksh is there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And yes, Gauri Mali.
Yes, yes, sir.
What do you understand by the course outcome? What is the course outcome?
The course outcome, here we will get the idea about all the basic machine learning algorithms.
So that is the objective.
Sir,
Course
here,
outcome, please, no, don't tell me what is the course outcome. What is the this word, course outcome?
whatever we'll learn through this course.
Yeah, what is the output of this course? So once you completed this course, what is the output? So after completing to this course or any course, that is called the course outcome. So once you complete this course, you are able to understand the complexity of machine learning algorithm and their limitation, right?
Yes, sir.
So every algorithm has their own limitation. So supervised machine learning algorithm, unsupervised machine learning algorithm. So there are different types of number of machine learning algorithm, but each algorithm has their own limitation and the advantage. Okay. So we are after completing this course, you are able to understand which algorithm you have to implement for which problem. So that is because of you understand, you know their limitation of their algorithm, right? And also you are capable of applying the machine learning algorithm in a practice. So during the practical sessions, you have to implement the various machine learning algorithm. Maximum to maximum machine learning algorithm we are trying to implement during the practical session. I hope all the students now understand what is the course objective and the course outcomes, right? Yes, Kaustubh Shah. Kaustubh Shah. From this class, I would like to inform all the students. I will unmute anyone during the class. Okay, they must be attentive. And if you are not answering the questions, consider that you are absent in that particular class. And daily I am taking your attendance one by one. Okay, so you have to reply, you have to use the proper roll call. Otherwise, you will mark as a absent. Even though you are logging or you are attending the classes online, you must be attentive, right? And you have to give the roll call. So once I call you a roll number or name, you must give me answer either in the form of text, okay, or voice. Okay. Probably most probably the voice. Okay, I would like to give your voice reply instead of the text message. Okay. So from this class onward, I will call the student name, roll number, and after that, you have to give me the reply, either by call or either by text. But don't before the name, calling a name or roll number. After calling a name or after calling your roll number, you have to give me the answer you are present or not. Just logging does not mean that you are present. Okay. So during the class, I will ask the question. So you must be attentive. Now, moving to the next part. Okay. So this is about mark distributions, your internal and practical and exam evaluation scheme and the teaching scheme. So every week you have the 2 theory and 1 practical. The duration of practical is 2 hours and there are the 2 theory. Okay. So we have the lecture on Monday and the Wednesday at the same time, 11:15. And there is a 1 practical. The practical will be started in the next month. And your total credit for this subject is 3. So the evaluation scheme, in evaluation scheme there are the CAE of 5 marks and the CAE of 2 CAE of 15 marks, and you have the end semester exam of 25 marks. In practical, you have the internal practical, will give the internal mark out of 25, and there is a regular internal mark. Okay. So, during the practical, you have to complete your practical and submit to me, okay, with the daily basis. And there is the external practical that will be held during the NSEM exam, okay, and that is also the 25 marks. For this session, we are making some rules for your TA, okay. We are giving you the weekly assignments. Right? And the assignments are like this. There are the 4 assignments I will give you because we have the 4 months, near about 4 months. So every week you have the 1 assignment. So in this week I am giving you the assignment. In the next week you will get the assignment from the CN, and after that there is a TOC assignment and so on. Right? So this week I will give the 10 marks MCQ this assignment. Okay. Then the implementation of the regression algorithm, overfitting, collaborative recommendation, then implementation of logistics. Okay. So all the TAs are the 10 marks. Sorry, assignment are the 10 marks, and this TA is, these assignments are mapped with your TA. For example, assignment 1 and assignment 2 or assignment A and B will be mapped with your TA 1, that is for the 5 marks. So out of 20, whatever the mark you are getting, that will be converted as a 5 marks and given to your TA 1. And the assignment number C and D, again 10 marks, whatever the mark you are getting, it will be mapped with your TA. Then there is a exam, CA exam, regular CA exam of 15 marks. In that exam, the 10 marks is on the implementation on numerical problem and 5 marks on the descriptive. Okay. So I will give some numerical problem to you and you have to give the proper answer. Okay. And some descriptive means explain and describe, all stuff like that for the 5 marks. For CA1, your syllabus will be unit number 1 and unit number 2, and it will be held on 11 to 13 days. And the CA2, in the CA2, we will cover all the remaining units. That is the unit number 3, 4, and the 5, and that will be held on the 22 to 24th April. Okay, this is all about your TA and CA exam. I hope all of you is clear. If anybody has any questions, so they can type or you can raise your